Hello, my name is Andres Agastume and I'm going to teach you how to put textures on your 3D model. First, we have to open 3D Max or any kind of software that make 3D model. That can be Blender, Maya, or the one I say early, 3D Max. Now, after you select the figure you want to make, we have to go to the Modify panel. It's not in 3D Max. It's normally found in the right corner, aside of grade. So we push Modify, and we search for UV at the bottom. Unwrap UW already has selected. So next you have to open UV editor. From here you can see how the 3D figure is unwrapped. So you have to modify it to look like the way you want to export it to Photoshop or any kind of program for that to paint it. As you can see right now, the figure is already what's the word, unwrapped. So this is a process that it goes to a personal preference. It's not something that the program will do automatically. There's some examples like explode, smoothing, and flatten, but they don't give you the desired font that will be effective to paint it. So we're going to return to the one I have made earlier. So you go now to the tool options. You search for render UW template. This option will let us generate the image for in a PNG or GPA, so we can use it to pass it in a program like Photoshop or something equivalent to paint it. So we put render UV template. Here you can see the 3D Max has generated the image of the UW unwrap. As you can see, we have the eyes over here, the mouth, the skin of the tree, top of the view, and the branches. So here we're going to save the image, name it, and select the format we want. Right now we're going to use a GPH, and we're going to save it. It's going to tell us the quality and the size of the image. Right now this is the settings, so we push OK and it's saved. After you go to your Photoshop or similar program and you ended painting, you know how to open the material editor. Here, the material editor is where we put the texture. These spheres are for us to put the texture, so we're going to select one, and after we select we see all these parameters. From here, we're going to choose diffuse. In diffuse, it's going to open this little window, and we're going to select bitmap. Now, you have to search normally for where you save the last the picture that was generated by the UWB unwrap. You can see that I save it close to the folder of this 3D model. I gotta name it, but the one I did before was called 3Texture1. I will select this because this is the texture I made for the tree. Now I push this one and I push open. Now you see here is the sphere. This is the texture now. From there, we're going to move to this little button called Assign Material Selection. Push this. Now you see the 3D model has changed. Technically, here the texture is in the 3D model, but you cannot see it. So now we push Show Shaded Material in Viewport. The little checkered square with possible a little light, and when you push that, tada! We had our texture in our haunted tree.